To all the sociology students, first things first, let me just assure you that you are in the right course. It's a difficult course, it's an uncertain course, it's a confusing course, but you are in the right course. And why am I saying this? We sociologists have the capacity to understand the problems of our society in ways that other courses don't. Bakit? Gaya na sinabi kanina ni Iman, sabi ng inyong professor, everything is interconnected. Everything is interrelated. Everything. And I tell you, only sociologists have that capacity to take a step back and look at the world and say, yeah, economy, politics, history, religion, family life, generations, you can see the connections. And you see how they make a difference or they impact on people's lives. That's one. The other reason why I think you are in the right course is this. Sociologists are not interested in only analyzing society. We are here because we want to make this world a better place. We want to change society. And I do hope and pray, Crisel, you, Iman, your peers, your generation, and all other sociology majors who are watching us today, I want you to realize at the core, at the very core of our discipline is this desire to make the world a better place. Gender inequality bothers us. Poverty troubles us. Domestic violence affects us. We say no to every form of injustice there is in the world because we understand it and we know that it is wrong. I think sociologists, we have this responsibility, not only intellectual, but also moral, to change, to challenge, confront injustice wherever it occurs. That is our moral calling as sociologists. And I hope you will not give up on that calling. So you might be uncertain about this course, but I tell you, this is the right course. At padayon, at wag bibitaw, marami pa tayong gagawin sa ating bansa.